Hey, let's eat, Grandpa. Let's eat, Grandpa. That's right, commas save lives. So then, how to use a comma? Commas can be used to separate items in a list, mark place values in a number, or separate compound sentences. Here's the first example. My 3 favorite things are eating my family and my pets. So where to put the commas? My 3 favorite things are eating, my family, and my pets. That's much better. Next one. Every third number from right to left should be marked with a comma in order to make numbers easier to read. For example, can you read this number? How about now? Now let's figure out how to read it. 206,734,567,294,138. When 2 complete sentences are combined, a comma should be used before the joining word. For example, Spencer got there early and he ran into a friend. Where should the comma be placed? That's right there. Now the sentence reads easier. Spencer got there early and he ran into a friend. Just keep in mind that we use commas every day when we speak or write, so it is important to know how to use them properly.